Hello. Today I want to show you how I do a heatless style in my hair. I don't really know how to do like a lot of fancy styles, but I am going to put 2 braids in my hair and then just simply take it out and comb it out and wear it like in a wavy style. But this is the product that I'm putting on it. Some stuff that I mixed up. Usually I put 1 braid in it, but I want to see what the wave pattern would look like if I put 2 braids in it. This mix here that I have, I really like it. I mixed up a leave-in conditioner as I buy new products. If I think that they'll mix well with it, I'll mix them with it. But I don't mix so much stuff with this that I don't think I want to mix nothing else. I like everything about this product. I like the body, the shine, the softness, the texture, everything that it gives. It's a whole bunch of good products mixed together. And I like, now this is my hair before I put the product on right now on this side. But I just like the way I can run my fingers through it without any snags or tugs. It feels like really, really good. And I haven't been able to do this in a while. I mean, I can run my fingers through my hair, but I always feel like a little something, but this just feels real smooth. So basically, I'm just going to put 2 braids in it. They might look funny, they might not be. Like, and let me see what they're going to look like. They might not, they might be sticking up or sticking out or something. But hopefully. When I take them out and comb everything out, it can be okay. So I'm trying to keep my hair tangle free as I braid it. Okay, I pretty much got it now. And this is just a quick, easy style, wave style for relaxed hair. I guess I can do it on more than 2 sections of my hair, but I don't want the waves to be too small. Relaxed hair is already thinner than natural hair. Oh, I'm sorry, I was looking in this mirror and not looking in the camera. I'm going to take a little bit from this part and put it over there. That one getting kind of thin. I hope I wasn't looking cross-eyed just then. I want to plait it all the way to the end, or braid it all the way to the end, as far as I can get it. Look like Pippi Longstocking. So I'm going to go ahead and braid that rubber band pop. I'm going to go ahead and braid the other side and then come back. Okay, I'm almost finished with this side. I think I did this side a little better than the other side. Let me see how that's going to look. I might need to, it might be okay. I thought maybe I needed to do that one over, but it might be okay. these are the, if I want my hair in a style, these are the only kind of styles that I do. Heatless styles. I don't put any heat in it at all. I know it looks kind of thin right now, but once it dries and fluffs out, it'll look a lot thicker. And it is, well, it's not really thin, but it's not as thick as I want it to be. To other people, they think it's thick, but to me, it's not thick. I need to get a rubber band. One moment. So I'll just let this stay like this throughout the day, let it dry. And when it dries completely, I'll come back and show you what my little style looks like. Hello guys, this is actually like the next day and a half, almost 2 days. I started not to even finish this video, but I was like, you know what, I started it, so let me go ahead and finish. I just got finished washing my face. I'm not going to do anything to my eyebrows or my eyelashes. I was going to actually like arch my eyebrows and do them the way I do them and put some, I don't really like the false eyelashes. I'll use them every now and then. Where's my, I actually like these two for my eyelashes. It's the Colossal Volume Express, and it's called Cat Eyes, and this is just falsies, and they're both from Maybelline. I really love them. Every time I put this on, people think that I have on false eyelashes. I don't know if you can see my eyelashes, but I kind of got a little bit of eyelashes. I kind of pulled some of them out and thinned them out. But anyway, I'm just going to do my hair. So, you ready for this? This is what it looked like after the 2 days. I haven't did anything. Look at my edges. They look like they almost got some edges on there, but they're a hot mess. I don't even know how to do my edges, but let me go ahead. And since I've been letting it sit for 2 days instead of just being straight like this with the product, it's kind of curling up. So what I think I'm going to do, if I had did this the same night that I told you that I was, I plaited it during the day, braided it during the day, and I was going to take it out and show you at night. I wouldn't have to do what I'm about to do now. So basically, I'm just adding just a little bit of the product that I had put on there before, but not enough to wet it. Just to kind of straighten it out some. And that's my little product mixture. I might have to put some on after, but let me hurry up so this video won't be too long. Take the rubber bands off. I don't want to mess up my wave pattern, so I'm going to get it out good with this. The end of this comb. Just to start it. I'm going to take this one off. Well, I was going to do it off camera. Take this one and then do the other one off camera. Let me go ahead and just try to do it quickly. I wish I would have did it then. You would have saw like the full effect of the product. Hopefully you can still see it today. It adds a lot of shine and bounce. And this is just a quick heatless style I wear when I go out sometime, when I get like dressed up. So a lot of the times I like to just finger, you know, manipulate or comb it or finger style it. But I don't mind combing it either. The more I comb it or pick it, the more volume and poof I get. It's really, like I said, I wish I would have did it that same night, because I'm going to actually have to try to put some product on to kind of get it from being so poofed out, and kind of like to smooth it down a little bit. And I should have kind of like, let me let you see the back. See if you can you see that the product does give body. But pretty much, this is like a quick heatless style that I do when I do wear my hair. I'm going to add a little bit more just to kind of loosen them up some. See what happens. I don't want to completely take them out. Just want to loosen them up. Just loosen up the waves. I could have put a like a sponge roller on the end and, you know, gave myself a little curl. Look like it's loosening up a little more. Sure making my gray shine. For some people, they might be like, well, what kind of style is that? I don't consider it a style. And that's where to each his own come in. But if I kind of like really, if I was going somewhere and I had on a cute little outfit, had my little eyebrows all done and little earrings on, then this would really look cute. But I like for my hair to stay like this in the back. Going to the back. See somebody. I don't like for it to make its way over here to the front like that. I like the look when it's back. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And you have yourself a wonderful day.